Hello and a very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fine and you all have enjoyed your Christmas also. Now you must be waiting for your New Year celebrations, but before that we have to do a little bit of work also. So today in the Maths Magic textbook we are going to start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is how many times. That means this is your multiplication. In this we are going to learn about the multiplication, the simple ways of doing the multiplication. So dear children, start learning your table so that you can do it easily. Now first of all you are going to write today's date 28/12/2020. Classwork and day is Monday. Lesson number 9, how many times. Now here you can see some figures of animals are given here. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 animals are there, and this is the fifth one. So leggy animals. There are 5 goats. How many legs altogether? Now there 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 goats are there. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each goat has 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the goats have 4 legs. Now how many total legs these 5 goats have? So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. इसके 4 लेग्स को ऐड किया, फिर इसके 4 लेग्स को, इसके और फिर ये फिफ्थ वाली गोट के सारे गोट्स जो है 5 गोट्स के 4 लेग्स ऐड किए तो टोटल कितना आया? 20 आया. और 5 टाइम्स 4 इज 20 और 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 इज 20. That means what you have understood from this example that is given here, that when we are adding a number repeatedly at a time, एक ही नंबर को हमने यहाँ पर 4 को हमने continuously 5 times repeat किया. 4 1 2 3 4 and 5 times we have repeated the 4. So in other words we can say that multiplication is a repeated addition. मतलब multiplication क्या है? एक ही नंबर को बार बार ऐड करना या उस नंबर को उतने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना. जैसे यहाँ पर 4 जो है 5 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ तो हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिखा? 5 टाइम्स 4 इज ऑल्सो 20 और 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 20. अब 4 को 5 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे तो भी 20 आएगा और 4 को 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी आंसर आपका कितना आएगा? 20 ही आएगा. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16 and 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. That means when you have added 4 5 times then also you have got the answer 20, and when you have multiplied 4 by 5 then also you have got the answer 20. So it proves that your multiplication is a repeated addition. Now here are some examples are given like that only. You can see here spiders are given. There are 1 2 and 3 spiders are there. So how many spiders are there? 3 spiders are there. How many legs one spider has? Now we'll count the legs of the spider. 1 2 3 4 this side and 1 2 3 4 this side. That means one spider has 8 legs. How many legs does one spider has? 8 legs. So how many legs 3 spiders will have? In all, spiders legs are 3 times 8. मतलब एक स्पाइडर के 8 पैर है तो 3 स्पाइडर के कितने होंगे? 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 और 3 टाइम्स 8. यहाँ पर पहले हम एडिशन के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे 8 plus 8 plus 8. We are showing here the repeated addition is equal to 24. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24 और 3 times 8 is equal to 24. यहाँ पर 3 टाइम्स 8 इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि 8 को 3 बार हमने रिपीट किया, इसलिए 3 टाइम्स 8. 8 एक ही बार आएगा क्योंकि एक है 8 और रिपीट हम उसको कितनी बार कर रहे हैं? 3 बार. इसलिए यहाँ पर 3 टाइम्स 8 इज इक्वल टू 24. नाउ वन मोर एग्जाम्पल इज देयर ऑफ द एनिमल्स ओनली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट नाउ. Do you know this leggy fellow? This is an octopus. It lives in the sea. It also has 8 legs. This is an octopus which is the creature of the sea. दिस यू माइट हैव सीन एट होम ओनली. ये आपके घर में आसानी से दिखता है, लेकिन ये जो है वो समुद्र का जीव है. इट्स एन अ सी क्रिएचर और अ सी एनिमल विच इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑक्टोपस. इट हैज़ 8 लेग्स जिसको कि हम टेंटिकल्स बोलते हैं. ऑक्टोपस के उसका बॉडी है, ये 2 उसकी आइज हैं. दीज आर द 8 लेग्स और द टेंटिकल्स ऑफ द ऑक्टोपस. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी ऑक्टोपसेस आर देयर. 1 2 3 4 and 5 octopuses there. You can see 5 octopuses given here. Now one octopus has 8 legs, so 5 octopus will have how many legs, that you have to find out. So how many legs altogether do 5 octopuses have? Now I have underlined these things, so you also have to underline these things in your textbooks because these are the important things. First we are going to write 8 5 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 40. Or 5 times 8 is equal to 40, or 5 multiplied by 8 is also equal to 40. That means 8 octopuses will have 40 legs. अगर हम 8 को 5 times प्लस करें तो भी 40 आएगा, और 8 को अगर हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो भी 8 5 is 40. So 8 octopuses have 40 legs. Now we move on to page number 123. This was your 122 page on which we started the lesson. Now next is find the numbers without counting. Now here you don't have to count the numbers, but just you have to see and find out. Now here you can see how many flowers in a flower bed. Now you can see these flower beds, 1 2 3 and 4 flower beds are there. ऐसे देखे तो it has 4 columns. Each column has 6 flowers. Now you can see how many columns are there. 1 2 3 and 4 columns are there. And how many flowers are there in each column? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 columns are there. In each column 6 columns are there. Flowers are there. So altogether the flower bed has 4 times 6 flowers. That means अगर इसमें भी 6 है, इसमें भी 6 है, इसमें भी 6 है और इसमें 6 है, that means एक flower bed कितनी बार repeat हुआ? 4 times repeat हुआ. That means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24, और 4 times 6 is equal to 24. यहाँ पर हर फ्लावर बेड में जो है 6 फ्लावर्स है. तो एवरी टाइम, बिकॉज वी वांट टू नो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स इन ऑल द 4 फ्लावर बेड्स, सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 6 4 टाइम्स, बिकॉज नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर बेड्स आर 4 एंड नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स इन ईच फ्लावर बेड इज 6. तो हम हर बार 6 को 4 टाइम्स ऐड करेंगे, विच इज इक्वल टू 24, और 6 4 is 24. सो यू कैन सी दिस. नेक्स्ट इज, let's try another way. The flower bed has 6 rows. Now each row has 4 flowers. Altogether the flower bed has 6 times 4 flowers. Now just a reverse of this has happened. Now here the number of flower beds are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. And each flower bed has 1 2 3 and 4 flowers are there. So now again what you are going to do is, you are going to we want to know the total number of flowers in all the 6 flower beds, and each a flower bed has 6 flowers. So we are going to add this 4 how many times? 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 times. That means 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4, that is equal to 24, or 6 multiplied by 4 is also equal to 24. Now next is, in the same way, how many bottles are shown. Now you can see here in a box there are many different bottles. This is a bottle stand. Now here you can see 1 2 3 and 4 this way, and 1 2 3 4 and 5 this way. ऐसे 5 है और ऐसे 4 हैं. यानी कि यहाँ पे देखिए कितनी बार रिपीट है, 1 2 3 and 4, और एक लाइन में 5 बॉटल्स है और ऐसे 4 लाइन्स है. तो टोटल कितने बॉटल्स हुए? 4 multiplied by 5, और 4 times 5 is equal to 20 bottles. Same way you can see the egg tray is given here. Now in 1 2 3 4 and 5, this is, and how many here? It is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 or 6 times 5 is equal to 30 eggs are there total. In all, how many eggs are there? In all 30 eggs are there. You can see that, because you can see 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are 5, and in each row how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 5 times 6 is equal to 30. Page number 123. Sorry, 124. It is practice time. Question number A, rewrite using the plus sign. That means here you have to write the number using the plus sign also. That means you have to show the repeated addition also, and also in the multiplication form. As one example is given, 2 times 5 is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 2 times 5, or 5 plus 5. Now same way we have to show the other sums. 4 multiplied by 18 is 4 times 18. That means this 18 is to be added 4 times. 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18. Next is 3 multiplied by 20 is 3 times 20, or 20 added 3 times 20 plus 20 plus 20. You don't have to add up and write the answer, only you have to write this number in the addition form. 8 multiplied by 9 is 8 times 9, or 9 is to be written or added 8 times repeatedly. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 9. Now question number B is tell how many times. Now here we have written the addition. We have written the numbers repeatedly. Now in this question, what is given is the numbers are given repeatedly. You have to write in this form, or either in this form. That means in multiplication or with the times. For example, is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times 9 is written. That is 6 into 9. Now here you have to write the answer also. That is equal to 54. And 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 5 times 4, or 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Now here is 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 8 is repeated 1, 2 and 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. How many times 3 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 30 plus 30 plus 30, that means 3. Now 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is given here. So here we have to write 3 times 10 is equal to 30. Sorry, 3 times 30 is equal to 90. 3 times 30 is equal to 90. By mistake I have written 10, but it is 3 times 30 is equal to 90. Now 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times 7 is repeated. So 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. That means 1, 2, 3 and 4 times 12 is repeated. So 4 multiplied by 12 is already given. Here certain numbers are given and certain you have to write. So 12 4 is 48. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 times 6 is repeated. In the first blank you are going to write the number which is repeated as many times. मतलब कि जो पहली blank है उसमें आपको खाली वो number लिखना है जितनी बार ये number repeat हुआ है, और दूसरी blank में वो खाली नंबर लिखना है. पहली ब्लैंक में रिपीटेड नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स रिपीटेड और दूसरे में वो नंबर लिखना है ब्लैंक में. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5 times 2 is repeated. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 7 times 6 has been repeated. That is equal to 42. So this way you have to write this. All this you have to do it in your notebook also. Starting from this page number 122, page number 123. Page number 124. Now in this you don't have to draw the pictures. Simply you have to write like this. All these things you have to, I'm making the markings. So this you have to write it in your notebook. Same way here, this, I'll just draw the lines. पूरा जितना मैं lines draw कर रही हूँ, that everything you have to write it in your notebook. Same way this whole thing, this one and this one. I'm making the markings to show that that's all you have to write it in your notebook. And this whole page 124. Now we move on to page number 125. These are your small word problems which you can do it orally. Now C1, Ramu bought 4 packets of biscuits. Each packet has 4 biscuits. How many biscuits did Ramu buy? रामू ने 4 पैकेट्स ऑफ बिस्किट्स लिए और हर पैकेट के अंदर 4 बिस्किट्स है. तो रामू ने कुल टोटल कितने बिस्किट्स बाय किए? 4 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 16 biscuits. 4 packets of biscuit and each packet 4 biscuits are there. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Now D, there are 12 desks in a classroom. Each desk has 4 legs. What is the total number of legs of the desk? मतलब कि एक क्लास के अंदर 12 डेस्क है या बेंचेस हैं और हर बेंच के कितने डेस्क के कितने पैर हैं? 4 legs are there. So what is the total number of legs of the desk? One desk has 4 legs, therefore 12 desks will have how many legs? 12 multiplied by 4. Or you can write like that also, 4 multiplied by 12. This way also you can write, and that is equal to 48 legs. How many legs 12 desks have? 48 legs. 12 fours are 48. E. Sahiba sorry, Sabiha bought some bought home 3 bunches of flowers. Each bunch has 4 flowers. How many flowers are there? Now कितने bunches आए? 3 bunches लाए और हर bunch में कितने flowers है? 4 flowers है. So total number of bunches 3 and in one bunch how many flowers? 4. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12 flowers. So how many flowers are there? 12 flowers. So next one is if one rail coach has 8 wheels, how many wheels in all 6 coaches have? एक रेल के कोच में कितने व्हील्स हैं? एक कोच के अंदर 8 व्हील्स हैं. तो ऐसे 6 कोचेस है 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 coaches. So how many wheels are there total in all the 6 coaches? Number of wheels is 8 and number of coaches 6. So 8 multiplied by 6 is equal to 48 wheels. So this way you have to do this. Moving on to page number 126. Now this is how many twos. That means actually this is basically the table of 2 at is given here. 2, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a table of 2 जो है how many times 2. कितनी बार जो 2 आया वो आपको काउंट करके लिखना है. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. So this is basically the table of 8 only. Then 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2. Now up to 6 times they have already given and here answer up to 6 is given. Then we have to write the answers on our own. 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18 and 10 times 2 is 20. So this is basically the table of 2. Now here as normally we write the table that is written 1 times 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Now 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18 and 10 2s are is 20. So this way you have to complete this whole table of 2. Now here see 1 times 2. You can see the numbers 1 to 10 are written here and the 2 which has been repeated how many times? कितनी बार? 7 times 2 कितना होगा? 8 times 2 कितना होगा? That you have to write. So that 2 you have to write in between and then you have to write the answer. और इसका simplified form is this table that we normally write. So you have to write it in your textbook as well as in notebook one time. Moving on to the next page, which is your page number 127. Now here you can see jump with me. Taru frog jumps 3 steps each time. Which numbers will Taru move or touch? Now you can see here the numbers are given. It is from 1 to 54 up to 54. The numbers are given here. You can see from 0, starting from 0. Now you can say this frog whose name is Taro, he jumps 3 numbers every time. So basically this is the table of 3 that they are teaching you. ये 3 का table है जो आपको पढ़ाया सिखाया जा रहा है कैसे हमको 3 का table करना है, skipping 3 numbers at a time. हर बार कितने numbers jump करना है? 3 numbers at a time you have to jump. You can see here it 3 steps each time. This is very important. Jumps 3 steps each time. So every time you have to jump 3 numbers. So first we'll see in this how many numbers have been jumped from number 0 to 54. Let us see that. यहाँ से 0 से start करेंगे. 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 4, 5 and 6 is your third number. Then 7, 8, 9. जो third number आएगा, जैसे यहाँ पे 6 है तो 1, 6 को छोड़िए 1, 2 और third number पे आएगा. 0 है, 0 से फिर 1, 2 और 3 पे आया. वैसे ही 0, 1, 2 ये 3 नंबर हो गए तो 3 पे आया. फिर 3, 4, 5 तो 6 इज द थर्ड नंबर. देन 6, 7, 8, 9 इज द थर्ड नंबर. ऐसे जंप करते करते फिर 9 के बाद 12 पे जंप करेगा. 12 के बाद 15 पे जंप करेगा. 15 के बाद 18 पे जंप करने के बाद now this is the 18 where it has been jumped, so I'll mark here a star. Then after 18 is a 21. After 21 it jumps to 24. You can make a jump like this from 24 to 27, 27 to 30, 30 to 33, 33 to 36, then 39, then this is your 42, और उसके बाद क्या आएगा 42 के बाद 43, 44, 45, फिर 46, 47, 48. दिस इज योर जंप. जहाँ जहाँ जो स्टार्स बने हुए हैं दोज आर द जंप्स. देन फ्रॉम हियर to 51 and then to 54. So up to 54 the numbers complete और jump भी पूरा 3 करके complete हो जाता है up to 54. You can see the stars are marked here. This shows the point of the jump. जहाँ जहाँ star mark किए हुए वो आपके jump के point से यहाँ तरु जो है jump करके 3 numbers skip करके आगे बढ़े हैं. So as you can see this whole table of 3 is given like this. 3 ones are 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, and 10 3s are 30, 11 3s are 33, 12 3s are 36, 13 3s are 39, 14 3s are 42, and 15 3s are is 45. So dear children, up to page number 127, 127, you have to complete it in your textbook and write everything in your notebook also one time.